Next topic, charts in MS Excel, various components of a chart. Today topic, chart title and access titles. How to give the chart title, how to give the access title. Both are where available in the menu bar. Which menu bar available in the both options. Okay. Next, first definitions. This is all our components. Each one some videos is there. Anyone first saw my channel, subscribe and like and share, and previous video first understanding after continuous videos are very easy. Next, first one, now this data series over x-axis y-axis over, now chart title and access title, they both are explained in this video. Data series is separate video, axis y-axis x-axis is separate, one video only. They both are one video. Now first chart title. First one, chart title definition. It is usually written at the top of the chart, helps the reader to understanding what the chart represent. First, very good, that is correct. Is the what is the important of YouTube's in the, what is the important thumbnail, that is the one title. So same way the chart title is the very important, is represent on the top of the chart. Okay, where this is the chart, the top of the given to the any one title that is displayed to the chart top side. Okay, next one, access title. What is the access title? It is the title given to the, you take to the 2D graph, you prepare the 2D graph axis, two axes are only displayed. What is that? X and Y. You given to the 3D axis, there will display the X, Y, Z. Okay, this is called the axis title. Given to the axis titles 1, 2, X and Y. Normally you take into the 2D graph. You take into the 3D graph, they display the X axis and Y axis and Z axis also. Okay, see here I am taken some first graph. What is that? What is the title and what is the graph? I am explain. See, this is the graph. Example, for example, is a graph. The high is called displayed on the graph. Title is the right side of the high. This is here high. This is low and high. Sometimes low and sometimes high. This is the axis, Y axis, and this is the X axis. This is the graph. The y-axis is the upper, the x-axis is the high in this one. Many time low and upper displayed in this type. This is the graph. Usually in this data useful, how to give into the chart. First you selected any one, you selected first data, complete data you selected first. After click insert menu, there click column, there click 2D. Okay, 2D only given to the axis. How to given that? You go to the layout menu, their axis titles is there below of the axis. The title is that, below is the horizontal title. Horizontal title is displayed x-axis. Okay, vertical title is displayed the y-axis. Okay, the x-axis vertical type is that, vertical type is the y-axis, this is x-axis. This is the axis titles will given to in this type is 2D eco. This one is the 2D eco 1. Okay, given to that you taken that any 3D that your charts will display the 3 axes Z, Y, X. Once you change, first click on that in this one chart, going to go to the layout table. 3D rotation is there. See here, X axis, Y axis and Z axis. 3D format is another one, 3D rotation is another one. Okay, this one both 3 is there. The rotation will be in that up, down and move that one. See, the rotation ones up and rotation ones down. This is the prescription. Here display the Z axis. Here display the Z axis. See here, 3D rotation have the 3 rotations is there, X, Y and Z. Okay, you taken the 3D chart. Okay, taken the 3D chart. You taken the 2D chart. displayed only x-axis and y-axis. Now how to given to the titles? How to given the titles? See here, what is that? Here display the years. What is that? Display the years, no, revenue. Revenue is displayed on here. Here axis is years. Okay, how to modify in that? See, select this one. After you go to the design, there selected chart layouts is there, displayed on any one selected on that, automatically your graph is changed. See once. Yeah, revenue, years, revenues. Okay, year wise, this one titles, 3 titles is there. What is the chart title? I am explaining this video: chart title, axis titles and y-axis titles. So chart title, how to given that? What is this? Revenue chart. X-axis, what is that? Revenue. This is called a y, years. Okay, how to display on that? See, here selected on that same wise you selected. Only one title you have, that one, that time only vertical axis only displayed. Vertical means what? Y axis only displayed, x axis not displayed. Okay, that layouts is very differently is there. You selected need layout. After you change the titles and x axis titles and y axis titles and chart title also. This is the graph have the x axis, y axis and area. This is area. Next time we repeated that what is that chart area and plot area. That what is the chart area, what is the plot area, I am explain in the next video. This is called a how to select the chart title, how to select the axis title. See again I am repeated. You take any data you take in that, first you select, delete this one. After take this data first. After you insert menu, there click 2D. This is called a 2D chart. This is called a 2D chart and year wise. In the year wise sales report, you modified any layout on here. Here modified. Only chart title only displayed and selected first one. You displayed the chart title and year wise, how to the improvement on that. The second one selected. The third one selected, only display the subject wise and sales reports. And next one, this one, sales report only, axes are not displayed. Only data, watch data given, that only displayed. This one, axis titles and the chart titles and sales report also jumbled is there, that's why not displayed on here. This is the correct chart title is there, axis is there, y axis is there, and sales report how to improve the year wise also displayed. So this is the correct layout on in this chart. And the one, this is what layout on that. Now same data I am insert there column, click on the 3D, click on the 3D over 2D, click on the 2D. See here, same you selected, in this one selected, after layout open, there click the horizontal below and vertically after. The title is given after chart title, after selected on here. So any chart you title, any layout you taken, given to the chart title and axis title vertically and horizontally. Vertically means always y-axis, horizontal means always x-axis. Okay, any data on that. Okay, 3D or 2D, what is that? You select on where layout menu, there selected the access title and chart title and data labels also. Data labels also selected. Okay, data labels also there. Next, legend bottoms. Legends also bottoms on there. Legends means right side in that one. Legends means this one year wise. Okay, legend keys also is year wise, how to improve on that with subject. Next one, access in that, show the right side, show the right side vertically, access in millions. This access is modified the millions on that access is vertically in the billions on that. Okay, billions wise and millions wise access will be modified. The left side of that, left side modified is all are available in that. Once you select, you need which one is that will be selected. After billions is that billions, reals is a reals, access with long scale only. This is the long scale of the access. Okay, next last one I am explain. Access millions and that access are only thousands, only thousands will be displayed on there horizontally. No, none of that. As usual, whatsoever given, that one only displayed. Okay, this is called a chart. Chart title, how to give and chart says title, how to give a. What is the chart you what is the chart? Chart has the x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis always displayed the vertically, x-axis displayed the horizontally. Both are ones low and up are displayed that. This is called a, what is that, area of that. Okay, given to the format design also modified on here. Selected chart and designs colors also modified here. Move the chart also, move the chart one sheet to another sheet, move that one. Move the chart also one's location to another location, move that. This is called a third sheet. And chart 2 is there, comes to the third sheet. The third sheet not displayed. Chart 1 you separately taken, move the chart also. Looking very good in this the Xerox model we given to the any Xerox on that, very looking correctly. Okay, this is called a chart. Okay, understood all of you. Next topic I am explaining next video, chart area, plot area. What is chart area, what is the plot area, I am explaining next video. Thank you. Anyone fast saw my videos channel, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.